A major incident has been declared in Dorset after an oil leak from Wytch Farm, one of the largest onshore oil fields in Europe. The Health Security Agency is warning the public not to swim in Poole Harbour or the surrounding areas, and the local council says oil has escaped into the area's water. We're going to cross now to our reporter, Jeff Moody, who's in the area. Jeff, morning.
Good morning. We don't quite know how serious this is at the moment. It could be very serious or not at all. There's going to be a meeting between the Harbour Master and the Environment Agency and various other emergency organisations that have gathered here in Poole this morning. That meeting's at 11:30 and they'll be issuing a press release shortly after that to work out exactly how serious the situation is. What we do know is that behind me is Wytch Farm. You've got Brownsea Island right behind me, and then just behind Brownsea Island is where Wytch Farm is, and that is where the leak occurred, and it leaked out into the harbour here, 200 barrels worth. Now, those barrels weren't all oil. 85% of them were a harmless saline solution, but crucially 15% was crude oil, which has gone straight into the water here. Well, as a precaution, the Harbour Master is asking people to stay out of the water. If you have come into contact with any of the crude oil, to wash for 10 minutes. And if it's gone into your eyes, to make sure that you put warm water into your eyes. Now, there have been calls from local residents who are saying that the warning wasn't given in time. There was a group of young people that were out on the water yesterday lunchtime in dinghies learning how to capsize, and they ended up covered in oil, and the dinghies were covered in oil too. And they're saying, look, why wasn't a warning given sooner? Local people are also saying, look, they're fed up with things being discharged into the water. We've been hearing all summer, didn't we, about sewage being discharged. Now we're hearing about oil too. So there's a demonstration at the harbour at around 4:30 tonight. But as I say, we don't yet know how serious the situation is. We should know in a couple of hours.